Hello there everybody, this is Anwesha. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna be showing you guys a makeup tutorial on this look. I have used all drugstore product to create this amazing look. You can wear this look to any kind of traditional party or occasions. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I am starting off my makeup with a face mist. Product details will be description box below. Spraying this to all over my face and neck and massaging it really well. Next I am using a light moisturizer. This is Nivea light moisturizer, I guess. For my color correction and for my base, I am using Dermacolor concealer in the shade DJ3. I am using this to my hyperpigmented areas and blending it with a damp sponge. As my foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 322. Now it looks lighter than my skin tone, but it matches my neck perfectly. Again, blending it with a damp sponge, and guys, don't forget your neck. Make sure you apply the foundation evenly to get a smooth finish. For highlighting, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. I am applying that onto the high points of my face. After blending out the concealer, I am setting it off with the banana powder. This is a loose powder. After set and bake, I am going to dust off the powder with a powder brush. Now for the eyes, I am using Makeup Forever Fortune Favours the Brave palette, and from there I am taking this dark brown shadow and applying it on my crease and intensifying the color slowly. Next I am taking a red eyeshadow. This is Miss Claire red eyeshadow, and I am applying it with the brown color and creating a dark red kind of shade. Blending it really well. Be careful guys when you are working with a red and black shadow. Now I am taking some concealer and cutting the 1/4 of my eyelid and setting it with some powder. brush which came with the palette, and I am taking this shade to blending the edges and intensifying the crease a little. And applying the same colors to the lower lash line. Now for contouring, I am going to use this Sivanna Trio bronzer in the shade dark and applying this to the usual areas, the hollows of my cheeks, around the jawline and my forehead. And for highlighting, I am using the same palette, applying it onto the high point of my face. Now my favorite part, spraying some rose water on my face to remove the powderiness. For my brows, I am using my Mix Clear eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, filling the sparse areas, usual eyebrow routine. Now using a matte shade from the eyeshadow palette, using to highlight my brow bone. Champagne shade from that palette, highlighting my inner corners. For the blush, I am using the red eyeshadow which I have used on my eyes before. For my eyeliner, I am using Lakme Insta Liner and Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. And to complete my eyes, I have used mascara in the end. I don't know, somehow my camera stopped recording. For my lips, I have used a pink nude lip liner from a local brand. And the lipstick is from Maybelline in the shade Rich Ruby. For finishing my makeup with the setting spray and with the bindi. So guys, here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys soon again. Bye.